We've got big breaking news that's coming in. The BMC is all set to demolish the unauthorized construction at Kangana Ranaut's office at Pali Hill Road in Bandra West. The BMC team had surveyed the property and they've said that they found many unauthorized constructions on the ground floor and the first floor of the office. Speaking to India Today, senior BMC officer has confirmed that they've given Kangana Ranaut time of 24 hours, but so far she's not responded to the notice, so they're going to be going ahead with their demolition. Kangana Ranaut has meanwhile also tweeted on this particular issue. She's tweeted with regards to the message that she's got from the BMC saying, as I'm all set for Mumbai Darshan on my way to the airport, Maharashtra government and their goons are at my property, all set to illegally break it down. Let me take this across to our reporter on the ground, Ashutosh Mishra, joining us with more details on this. Ashutosh, things are heating up there against Kangana Ranaut. We understand her office now is going to be demolished by the BMC.
Well, the notice was pasted yesterday by the BMC on her office at Pali Hill in Bandra, and saying there are many irregularities as far as construction in the office is concerned. The BMC found in its survey that the kitchen was altered, the toilet area was altered, and instead of, there were many construction portions which were without the permission of the authorized agency, which is the BMC, and calling it in completely illegal construction inside of the office. Rather, what Kangana said in her defense, that the construction was made inside the office and there was nothing illegal. It was as per the plan, approved by the appropriate agency. But clearly, what we know that this is more than a BMC fight versus Kangana Ranaut's so-called or the alleged illegal construction. Largely, we know that it is a battle between Kangana Ranaut and Shiv Sena, and perhaps why one side we have seen the center granting wide security cover to Kangana Ranaut. The actress who has left from Manali will be taking a flight at around 12:30 from Chandigarh to depart here in Mumbai at around 1:50 p.m. And before she arrives, there's a major crackdown and the major action by the Municipal Corporation of Mumbai, which is now set to demolish, which is said that the illegal construction at her office. What Kangana said, that the office was made out of the emotional bonding that she had with the film Manikarnika, which was produced by Kangana Ranaut herself. And now the BMC found irregularity in terms of construction. And remember what all we know so far, that after this battle, one side she was granted security cover, Shiv Sena. What we know that this is a traditional style of Shiv Sena. Let me tell you, I have spent 25 years of my life, the first 25 years in this state, and I have seen Shiv Sena's politics and their style of protest. So rather one side would have anticipated there could be a chaos or shouting at airport, which may not be the case, very unlikely. But this is how Shiv Sena functions, and what we know that the action they are taking. There was first survey carried out by the BMC at her office. The stop work notice was given, and now what we are hearing from the sources in the BMC, that illegal construction will be demolished. Remember, it may not be the entire office or the structure, but the illegal part. So clearly the message is being sent out to Kangana Ranaut. At the same time, the Shiv Sena has also been saying,
Ashutosh, any communication so far from the BMC with regards to a deadline to Kangana to answer to that notice? When can we expect that the demolition will actually begin?
Well, that's very unlikely, because the day before they have pasted the notice at her office, and that was the stop work notice. Perhaps the motive is that the office workers or the employees would have told the appropriate owner of this land property who's renting on that or owning that. So that is how the agencies function. So using that legal procedures, once the notice is given, now BMC is set to demolition. Clearly they anticipate that Kangana Ranaut must have known about it. In fact, there was also a Twitter reply. But we have to see the timings. Look at the timings. She has been granted security, left from Manali, arriving Mumbai this afternoon, and before she arrives, we could see possibly action by the BMC. And in the meanwhile, another development that has taken place, the Sanjay Raut, where the Kangana Ranaut had war of words escalated, these between two faces. One side Kangana Ranaut, other side Sanjay Raut. Shiv Sena had appointed Sanjay Raut as its chief spokesperson of the party. So clearly look at the contrast, the both are escalating through. The Shiv Sena wants to give out a message that look, who all are big faces that are backing Kangana Ranaut. So clearly, Shiv Sena in terms of optics also wants to say through different channels, through different mechanism and indication that look how many people and who are backing Kangana Ranaut clearly.
Yes.
And here, this is the traditional style of Shiv Sena responding to its opponent, what is BMC doing at the moment.
This optics by the Shiv Sena definitely doesn't look good, because the timing of this particular decision to go ahead and look into Kangana Ranaut's office, then to announce the demolition, all of it being timed to the controversy and the war of words between her and the Shiv Sena. So this is going to look like it is tit-for-tat action, like it is a witch hunt. But the BMC has confirmed to us that they are going to be demolishing Kangana Ranaut's office, perhaps not the whole office, but parts that they believe are unauthorized construction. On your screens also is the reaction that's come in at this point. Kangana Ranaut has put out a tweet. Her team has tweeted, "As I'm all set for Mumbai Darshan on my way to the airport, Maharashtra government and their goons are at my property, all set to illegally break it down. Go on, I promise to give blood for Maharashtra pride. This is nothing. Take everything, but my spirit will only rise higher and higher." Kangana Ranaut, in response, has only dared the authorities further, saying very clearly that if you want to demolish my office, go ahead and do it. She is saying, take everything, my spirit will only rise higher and higher. Now, let's also put this in context. This particular development that's come in of the BMC actually choosing to demolish Kangana's office is coming at a time when there is a war of words between the Shiv Sena and Kangana Ranaut. The actor responded to Samna's editorial piece, calling her Beiman or dishonest, and said that she came to Mumbai when she was 16 years old and that Mumra Devi blessed her stay. Kangana further adds that Mumbai is her home and that Maharashtra gave her everything. She also said that she can bleed for the order of women in the land of the legendary Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji. Sena mouthpiece Samna had said that those who insult Mumbai's revered goddess Mumba Devi are Beiman or dishonest and traitors. It further says that Kangana compared Mumbai to POK, which only shows her mentality. Samna also slammed the Modi government for providing Kangana with wide-grade security, saying that the government, the centre, has protected her.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.